हेलो गाइज, आज मैले ब्लुटुथ वायरलेस नेक बैंड मगाएको छु दराजबाट। सो लेट्स डू इट अनबक्सिङ गरौँ। कस्तो एक्सपेक्टेसन पर्छ, रियालिटी कस्तो रहेछ भनेर अब गरौँ अनबक्सिङ यसको। लेट्स डू दिस। yes, come on. Okay, the packet is here and there is a plastic foil as you can look. So now cut it down. Oh no, I eat this. That's how to cut it. Let's from here, cut it down. Okay, let's cut it a bit more. And our package is unveiled. So this is it requires little bit cutting more. Remove this. As you can see, it is ULTIMA bits 355 neckband, 10 mm drivers, immersive audio up to 25 hours playback, and Bluetooth version 5.2 and IPX for water resistance. Wow! Package contains one ear headphone, one C-type charging cable, a manual also, and pairs of additional ear muffs, and one catalog, one a warranty card also. And the color is I think blue. I am blue nahi order kare the. That's how to open this now. Okay, to remove the packing. So again it is packed with plastic, so we have to remove it quickly. Okay, what to do now? You can comment me how you can unpack this. So let's do unpacking. Okay, plastic layer is removed. Now what to do is remove this completely. Okay, इस side में रखो. How to remove this? Where is the? Okay, so let's cut it. The packing is too good. Oh wow, this is our neckband. I have ordered in the daraz, and this is ULTIMA lifestyle. Okay, let's look what it contains. This is like this. Okay, what is inside it? Oh, one USB charging, and this is six month warranty, and this is all I think manual. This is the stops. So overall this is total stops. Now let's start check it. Okay guys, I'll check it and then I'll review.